back to my channel. I'm pleased to have you. I promised you that I'll be talking about differentiation. So stay put to this class because we're talking about differentiation in various segments. Now, the first thing I'd like to talk about in differentiations is the standard differentials. The standard differentials are more or less like your laws you use to help you do a lot of things, like making some solutions. Now, for my standard differentials, I'll be talking about 7 standard differentials that are helpful, both in terms of your exams you'll be taking, and these standard differentials on the board. Now, right here, you have something like this. If this is y, and this is dy over dx, dy over dx is a differentiated function. So, this is sine x. Sine x is what? Cos x. Now, when you have cos x is what? Minus sine x. When you have tan x is what? Sec square x. When you have ln x is what? 1 over x. When you have ax, exponential function, this is ax. When you have x raised to power n, that is nx, n minus 1. When you differentiate a constant like 20, you have 0. But mind you, these 3 are called trigonometric functions. So trigonometric function, this is called the inverse function. This is called the inverse function. This is called the exponential function. This is called the polynomial functions. And this is called the constant. So I believe that we'll make some very quick videos. Now, after doing all of this, I would like to talk about a short video on differentiation of polynomial function. Now, this will be my next subtopic, differentiation of polynomial functions. Now, what exactly is a polynomial function? A polynomial function is a function that can be added, subtracted, and it can as well be what? Divided. That's a polynomial function. So for instance, if I have a question like y equals to 3x squared minus 8x plus 7. So the question could be, find dy dx. Find dy dx. Now take note, dy dx is your first derivative. When you have the square y over the x squared is your second derivative. So this will be dy over dx equals, based on this principle of xn to give you what? Nx, n minus 1. So this will be, this 2 comes down, it will be 2 times 3x 2 minus 1. Then there's a 1 you can't see here. And of course, there is x raised to 0 here. So this one comes out to be minus 1 times 8x 1 minus 1. Then 0 comes and that's 0 times 7x 0 minus 1. So this will now be 6x raised to 1 minus 8x raised to 0 plus, of course, everything here is what? 0. So this will be what? 6x. Of course, x raised to 0 in indices is what? 1. So this is minus 8. So your final answer for dy over dx is 6x minus 8. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you greatly for being part of my class. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next class. I'll make more videos, I promise you, more videos. Bye, and see you in my next class.